Did you know that 1.2 million new business apps were downloaded in the first quarter of 2022? Which means more competition, more demanding customers, and more risks to lose the game. What will save you from this nightmare is having the perfect understanding of the environment you're gonna face. And the perfect technique or way for this is starting by doing the market research. So let me show you how it is done step by step. But first, what is a market research? A market research is the action or activity of gathering information about your customers' needs and preference, but also about your competitors' activities. Now, why the market research is very important? It is actually important because it helps you answer the who, how, when, where, and what questions related to your business. Before jumping into the topic, let me give you very quick advice. Please forget about the old technique during which you use very long and complicated surveys like focus groups. It's not only a very expensive technique, but also it gives you a lot of basic answers. Instead of that, focus on today's video because I will share with you a very easy technique during which you will answer 5 questions. These questions will give us all the insights we need to run successfully the business. Start by answering the question who you are trying to reach. At this stage, you will try to identify the group of people you are trying to attract and to sell to your offer or your business. So you will start by collecting their demographic details, their geographic details, and their psychographic details like their behaviors. Once you know who are the people that are the best fit for your business or offer, now you will learn about their needs, their wants, and the problems they are trying to solve. This is very important because by answering the what question, you will know exactly what you have to offer them, what you have to sell them, and what add value you need to commercialize. Trust me, this is gonna impact all your marketing strategy. Now we know the target characteristics and what needs they are looking for. Yet, this is not the whole picture because now we have reached the right stage where we will answer where and when questions. And this will help us to know either we need to go offline or online, and in which period of time. What you have to do is to search for the preferred channels by your targets. But the most importantly is when they are using these channels. Targeting a group of people who need to leave their house every morning to go to office is completely different from targeting people who are working from home. In the first case, radio might be the perfect channel to reach them, because while people are driving their cars, there is a huge opportunity that they will switch on the radio. However, in the second case, social media might represent the perfect channel. They have more time at house, so they will automatically scroll on social media. Now we have answered 4 questions. Who we are trying to reach, what problems he's trying to solve, where we can find our target, and at what time we can interact with them. Finally, we need to answer the what they are expecting from us. What will motivate them to engage, interact with our business. You really need to know your target motivation and what benefits they are hoping to get out of this. This will help you to identify the type of content and information you have to deliver and highlight in your marketing plan. That's it. Now you have the secret ingredients to perfectly do your market research and to save your business from dying. Identify your targets, identify their needs, find the perfect channel and timing for your targets, and identify their motivations. All these steps will help you not only to know your target better, but also to have a perfect understanding of your environment and your competitors.